Oh, Stray Kids just dropped an hour ago. I'm so excited. I'm ready for this comeback. Let's get it. Check in with the tea. Now, I've never done Stray Kids on my channel before. This is the first time I'm ever doing Stray Kids. Now, I live for Stray Kids. God's Menu, for Mirror. They have some bangers, bitch. And the way that now I saw the previews for this comeback. Oh, honey. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Shaqii. Nice to meet ya. How are ya? How you doing this early morning? You doing alright? Her. You can call me Shaqii, but it's too early. But only in the bitch. Please subscribe to my channel. One time here, via music, live reactions, interviews, all that good shit. We do it here. So yeah, come say hi me. Come say hi me. Oh, family from across the world. How are you doing today? Y'all doing alright? It is morning for me. I have to go to work right after this, but hopefully y'all are doing completely okay, and if you aren't, you're getting there. That's the thing. So stay good spirits, stay good health, and just try to do your best, alright? But anyway, hit the notification bell, you guys know what I got cooking. I am excited for this. Let's get into my boys. We are here. They are ready. Let's go. They're giving you animations. Oh, bitch, we living for the blue.
Oh my god, Han, yeah?
Oh, Felix looks so... Yeah! Anybody that reps one of these, I automatically have to stand. So, you know, hips are that big. Oh, yeah! Tension is back, period. Oh, yes, bang chat, baby! Oh, they look good. Oh, thunderous. Yes, this animation, I'm living. Bitch, I am living for this. Oh, why is looking sexy with his head? Yes, from Vaseline. I'm living for the blue animations. Yo. Everything is just so good. I know that basically, I think I said about almost every single music video I've seen, because this just gave me the same energy they were given in God's Menu and in Backdoor. Like, it's there, bitch. to follow. He just has like a cool way. I love Billy. That's why he's biased. Oh my god. The thunderous ones has arrived, bitch. They're sending y'all a message in this music video. I love their playing on the elevator thunder. Oh, I love that. I love that. I absolutely live for that shit. Oh my god, that ending. Oh, I live for that. Okay, come on. Come on, Thunderous. Oh, I live for that. I live for that. Oh, ooh. Okay. This didn't came to play. I mean, they basically laid out a message for y'all straight flat, and we have to stand. But I love the elements they were playing with here. The outfits was fantastic. Felix looked great, which is amazing. All the boys looked great. Bang Chen looked great. All the outfits was amazingly well done. But of course, I come back to this because I love the hat. And I know people were giving him flack for the braids. He looks fine to me. Everything looked good. Everything was done right. The elements they were playing with, the message they were trying to spread, it's fine. It was perfect. So hopefully the message got put across to the people who needed to hear it. And honestly, this comeback was lit. This comeback was lit. I need more. So I think the album dropped already, actually. I'm gonna have to check my sources there just to be sure. But I was living for this. But I mean, let's talk tea. We all living for it. Let me know in the comments below. I live for Stray Kids, so maybe I'm just gonna be a little biased. But they know what they're doing, and they know their sound, and they stick with that, and we have to love that. You know, we switch up, once in a while, but this is them. It's hard, it gets the message across, and you just hear it and you live for it, and it's perfect dance music too, which is perfect. So, but anyway, let me know how y'all feeling about this in the comments below. That is it for me, Shaqii, on this beautiful morning. Thank you guys so much for coming, watching, and living with me, honey. And I will see all the beautiful humans in the next one, girl.